Brand new to Cricut? Then watch this video for tips and tricks. Cricut Access is the membership that allows you to use or rent images and fonts. You do not need to sign up for it. You can use Design Space, the software, for free. Over the years, the look of the Cricut Design Space campus has changed, but the majority of the functions still work in the exact same way. Let me show you. First up, slice. Slice has always been used to cut or separate things. Think of slicing bread. If you have two items, you can place one right over the top of the other. To use slice, you can only have two things selected. When I slice, you can see it cut the heart right out of this pattern. What? It also gave me a heart-shaped pattern and kind of the negative of that same pattern. While the combine button is a newer feature, inside of it is one of the features that's been a part of Design Space from the beginning, and that's Weld. Weld allows you to merge two or more shapes into one single shape. So when I have the pattern and the heart selected and click Weld, it makes it one shape, which means the heart is going to fill in parts of that pattern. If I go under Combine and select Unite, it does the exact same thing. But if you go under Combine, there's an Undo Unite. It doesn't put the original colors back. Next up is Subtract. Subtract will remove one item from the other, and it depends on which one is on top. So when the heart is behind the pattern and I use Subtract, I get these results. If the heart is on the top layer, I get these results. Next up is Intersect. This is going to take away everything except for what is overlapping. So basically the opposite of what we got from Subtract. Next up is Exclude. Exclude will only remove the parts that are overlapping. Next, let's talk about Attach. Attach holds the placement and position of things from the design canvas to the cutting mat. So if I want both of these things to cut on the same mat, exactly like this, I would click Attach. It changed this to all be the same color because the Cricut sorts by color. And we told it, attach these, I want them cut on the same mat. So they have to be the same color. If you change your mind, you can detach. Flatten is only used for print and cut projects. That one has a lot of information, so make sure to check out my other videos about making stickers or using flatten. Contour only works when you have one item selected. It allows you to turn on and off different sections of your design. I can just click on them. You can see I filled in those pieces. This is a great way to kind of change your design or customize it to be exactly what you want. You can see when I have one item selected, Contour is the only button that's even active down here. That's because I would need two things selected in order to slice and two or more things selected in order to use the Combine, Attach, or Flatten function.
Before you go, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. I love to hear from you.